in wake of recent online criticism alleging substandard materials used in the construction and design of flyover bridge at PTI Junction and DSC roundabout along Efrun-Patani Highway in Efrun, Uyo local government area of Delta State by Julius Berger Nigeria PLC, the special advisor on project monitoring and audits to the executive governor of Delta State, Engineer Dr. Goodnews Agbi, and his team of seasoned engineers have paid an inspection visit to the construction site and Julius Berger yard to ascertain the authenticity of materials used in the construction of the legacy project by the Delta State Governor, His Excellency Right Honorable Sheriff Oborewori. For days, a viral video had surfaced online alleging shabby materials used by the renowned Julius Berger PLC, accusing the company of using 10 mm rods as opposed to the 16 mm provided in the beme of the job. Agbi and his team, who has been at the forefront of making sure that Deltans get the best quality of projects as obtained in the more agenda of Governor Oborewori, has visited the site of construction to see things firsthand. The monitoring team were received at Julius Berger Yard by project manager Mr. Thomas Ogg and his team, and they were shown around the premises to inspect materials and equipment used by the company for first-hand reviews. From the yard, the team progressed to the construction site at PTI Junction before proceeding to DSC roundabout to test the authenticity of materials used on the job. Speaking to newsmen, Dr. Agbi voiced his satisfaction at what he has seen and frowned at the purported viral video, urging Deltans to join the governor in delivering quality project, as he posited that Julius Berger Nigeria PLC is a company with a track record of integrity and as such should not be undermined. Agbi said he and his team are on the road every day across Delta State monitoring project, as the governor has made it clear that he has zero tolerance for poor jobs in Delta State.
Engineer Dr. Goodnews Agbi, the special advisor to the governor on project monitoring. Well, as you said, last week there's this rumor going around, especially on social media, that the bridge they were doing here, they were using substandard reinforcement, that it was not up to 16, it was 12. Some people were even saying 10 mm. So we're wondering, how can a known name like Julius Berger be using 10 mm to do piers of bridge? So we decided to come and see by ourselves, and we were not disappointed. You were with us when we went to the yard. The first thing we asked the project manager was, let us see the design drawing, the structural drawing. We saw the structural drawing and structural design, and of course when we got there, what is in the design is 16 mm. It's not 10. And this is the structural drawing of this project. So once we have confirmed that, we went to the yard, look at their fabrication workshop, we look at their batching plant, even the cube test, and everything. Of course, we were not disappointed because we know Julius Berger is a brand name in the construction industry. So when those who were saying that either because of politics or people who are not informed, just giving their opinion about construction matters, you will not use 12 mm for a bridge of this standard and piers of this level. So we know that. Let's come and confirm. Let the whole world see that it is not 12 mm, 16 mm as per the structural design. Delta State government, for bringing a competent contractor like Julius Berger, they meant to give the best to Delta State. So we monitor them. We monitor them. When you know somebody is good, is doing its work very well, the frequency of monitoring is not like others. Even the Strada community, they made sure, the project manager told us when they are to complete it. They have a timeline, and they are working assiduously towards that timeline. The only places where there is a small delay is because of the power lines. They need to locate both power lines and water system. High tension. So those are relocation is what is just delaying them. Even at that, the project manager said that he will finish at the time that is, the time frame of the project.
We also spoke to Mr. Hogg, who emphasized that Julius Berger is ready to deliver quality jobs, and also buttressed that the people in the area have been peaceful and that the 2 years project is on course for completion within the stipulated time.
We can ensure you that we keep up the good quality. All our materials, if we import them or if we buy them locally, are getting tested. You have seen our lab, you have seen our equipment in the lab. We are prepared for every test, and of course you are invited to come more often to check us on a regular basis. I can assure you that we will never ever use a different diameter as it is defined.
What would you say of the relationship in terms of communal issues, in terms of youth issues. Are you people enjoying an immense relationship as far as working here?
Yes, we do. We have employed a lot of people from Delta, much more than from other states, and we have very good experience. The people are willing to work, they are learning, and we are happy to find such good people here in Delta State.
My name is Rero Henry Akbos, and this is Rero TV. Thank you for watching.